Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this pattern. For the pattern we need to have multiple of 6 plus 2, and what we have to do from the row 1, we are in the wrong side of the work. We start by take the first one, then knit 1, then pull 4, and we repeat again by knit 2, pull 4. As I told you, we are now in the wrong side of the work. By knit 2, pull 4, knit 2, pull 4. At the end I have only just 2 left. I'm going to knit. This is the setup row. Now when it comes to that part, in row 2 we are going to take the first one and pull the next. When it comes in this 4, what we have to do, we make it like a cable. Just I'm going to take these 3 and change the one here. Then I'm going to knit all the stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4, like that. Now we make 2 pull, like a separation. For the next one, just we are going to knit these 4 like that, then pull 2. When it comes to the next one, for the 4 stitches, again I repeat the pattern like the first one. I take these 3 and I change it with the one here, then I take it back and knit all 3 and that one. At the end I'm going to have 2 stitches. I'm going to knit. This is row 1. In row 2 and row 4, 6, 8, whatever it is, just we are going to knit all stitch like as it can be seen. If it's knitting, we have to knit. If it's pull, we have to pull. It's gonna be repeat in the wrong side in each row. Now we are in row 4. What we have to do in row 4, we are going to repeat the pattern like row 1. It means that I'm going to make a cable by take these 3 and just change it with that one in front. So 1, 2 and 3, like this. Then pull again. The one in the middle, I'm going just to continue to knit. Here again I'm going to repeat the pattern by this, take these 3 and change it with the one in the first stitch. After that I'm going to knit all the stitches. I am going to repeat one more row like that. It means that we are going to have 3 pattern on that, and I'll be back. As you can see here, I already made one more rows. It means that for this pattern we have to have 6 rows to make this pattern. Now it's time to change the model. What we have to do, we are going to start by pull 1. When it comes to that part, just I'm going to knit these 4, then pull 2. When it comes to that part, it means I have to make it like this. So what we have to do, we are going to take these 3 stitches and then change it with the one in front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then pull 2, and then here, because we already have the pattern, just we are going to knit all 4 stitches. Pull 2 and the edge. For the next row, as I told you, always it has to be just pull and knit the stitches. The one is pull, just pull, and the one is knit, we are going just knit. Now we are in row 9. What we have to do, we are going to repeat 2 more times like the one row 7. It means that just I'm going to knit these 4, pull 2 like that. When it comes to that part, I should again do the pattern by take 1, 2, 3 and just knit them. Like that. I'm going to repeat one more row and I'll be back. I already finished 3 times this one here, and then when it comes to that row, it means I'm going to repeat like row 1, and if you keep continue these 2 patterns, at the end you are going to have the pattern like this. It means you are going to, for the first row, you are going to start 3 times, like make a pattern, simple one, pattern, simple one. The other row, we are going to change the position, and then when it comes to third pattern, we are going to repeat like row 1. This is the front side and this is the back side of the work. This is really nice cable. It can be used for any kind of project like hats, scarves, cardigans, and whatever you like. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.